Yo, what's up everybody, it's Mark. And we're back with a monster of a TV. We're talking about a TV so big it's basically a wall, but with a better picture. That's right, we're diving deep into the Sony 98-inch BRAVIA XR50, model number K98XR50, SKU 6625581. This isn't just any TV, this is an experience, a statement piece. And at $6,499.99, it demands your attention. Now I know what you're thinking, Kunal, that's a whole lot of TV and a whole lot of cash. And you're not wrong, but trust me, this TV deserves a closer look. Over the next few minutes, we're gonna break down everything that makes this TV special. From its insane size and mind-blowing mini LED technology, to its smart features and overall value. So, buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey into the future of home entertainment. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk specs. First up, the obvious, this thing is massive, 98 inches of pure cinematic glory. I'm talking about a screen that dominates your living room, a screen that makes you feel like you're at the premiere every single time you hit play. Imagine hosting movie nights or sports events with friends and family, and everyone being blown away by the sheer size and quality of the display. But it's not just about size, it's about what Sony's packed into this behemoth. We're talking mini LED backlighting, which means thousands of tiny LEDs divided into hundreds of local dimming zones. This advanced technology ensures that every scene is rendered with precision, offering a viewing experience that's both immersive and breathtaking. This tech translates to incredible contrast, deeper blacks and brighter highlights. It's like HDR on steroids. Whether you're watching a dark, moody thriller or a bright, vibrant nature documentary, the picture quality will leave you in awe. And speaking of HDR, this TV supports all the major formats, HDR10, HLG, Dolby Vision, you name it, it's got it. This means no matter what content you're watching, you're getting the best possible picture quality. This means you're getting the best possible picture quality from all your favorite streaming services and 4K Blu-rays. Imagine watching your favorite movies and shows in stunning detail, just as the creators intended. But wait, there's more. Sony's powerful XR processor is the brains behind this operation, optimizing everything you watch in real time. This processor ensures that every frame is analyzed and adjusted for the best possible quality. It analyzes the picture, boosts detail, and upscales content to near 4K resolution. Even if you're watching older content, it will look sharper and more detailed than ever before. And let's not forget about the sound. This TV packs a punch with its acoustic multi-audio system. The sound is designed to be as immersive as the picture, making you feel like you're part of the action. It's designed to match the on-screen action so you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether it's the roar of a car engine or the subtle rustle of leaves, the sound is perfectly synchronized with the visuals. Of course, no modern TV is complete without smart features, and the Sony XR50 doesn't disappoint. It offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. It runs on Google TV, giving you access to thousands of apps, your favorite streaming services, and even Google Assistant for voice control. You can easily find and play your favorite content using just your voice. And for all you gamers out there, this TV is no slouch in the gaming department either. It's designed to handle the most demanding games with ease. With HDMI 2.1 support, you're getting 4K gaming at 120 Hz, with VRR and ALLM, ensuring buttery smooth gameplay and minimal input lag. This means you can enjoy fast-paced games without any annoying delays or screen tearing. We're talking about a TV that's designed to be the ultimate entertainment hub. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who appreciates the best picture quality money can buy, it's a complete package that elevates your viewing experience to a whole new level. Okay, let's talk about what makes this TV truly special. It's not just another screen, it's a complete entertainment experience. First and foremost, the picture quality is next level. We're talking about jaw-dropping detail, vibrant colors, and an overall viewing experience that's incredibly immersive. The colors pop in a way that makes everything feel more lifelike. The mini LED backlighting really steals the show here. The local dimming is incredibly precise, resulting in inky blacks and minimal blooming. This means you get a contrast that's almost surreal, making every scene look more dynamic. It's like having an OLED panel, but with even brighter highlights. And the XR processor deserves a standing ovation. It optimizes every frame, ensuring that you get the best possible picture quality no matter what you're watching. It does an incredible job of upscaling content, making even your old DVDs look surprisingly good on this massive screen. You'll feel like you're watching them for the first time with newfound clarity and detail. But it's not just the picture. The sound quality is also top-notch. The built-in speakers deliver a rich, full sound that complements the stunning visuals perfectly. The acoustic multi-audio system does a fantastic job of creating a wide soundstage, and the dialogue is always clear and easy to understand. It's like having a mini home theater right in your living room. Google TV is another major plus. It's fast, fluid, and incredibly easy to use. You can find your favorite shows and movies in no time, thanks to its intuitive interface. And with Google Assistant built in, you can control your entire entertainment setup with just your voice. Whether it's changing the channel, adjusting the volume, or finding a new show, it's all just a command away. And for all you gamers out there, the HDMI 2.1 support is a game changer. 4K gaming at 120 Hz is an absolute dream, and the input lag is so low, it's practically non-existent. This TV truly enhances your gaming experience. But beyond the specs and features, there's a certain wow factor with this TV. It's the kind of experience that leaves a lasting impression. It's the kind of TV that makes you want to invite all your friends over, just to show it off. It's a centerpiece for any gathering, sparking conversations and admiration. It's a statement piece, a conversation starter, and an absolute joy to use. With its blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design, the Sony XR50 is truly a marvel in the world of home entertainment. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. At $6,499.99, this TV is a serious investment. It's a price point that will make many people think twice, and rightly so. It's not for the faint of heart, and it's definitely not for everyone. This kind of expenditure requires careful consideration and planning. And then there's the size. 98 inches is massive. It's not just a TV, it's a statement piece. I mean, you practically need a dedicated home theater room to accommodate this beast. It's not something you can just fit into any living room. Make sure you measure your space and consider the logistics of getting this TV into your house before you even think about clicking that buy button. The last thing you want is to realize it won't fit through your door. And while the mini LED backlighting is impressive, it's not perfect. It offers great contrast and brightness, but there are still some limitations. There's still some blooming noticeable in certain scenes, especially in dark rooms. This can be distracting during movie nights or when watching dark scenes. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. If you're a stickler for picture quality, this might be a concern. And while Google TV is great, it can be a bit overwhelming at times, especially if you're not familiar with the Android TV ecosystem. The sheer number of options can be daunting. There's a bit of a learning curve, and the interface can feel a bit cluttered with all the apps and recommendations. It might take some time to get used to it. Finally, while the sound quality is good, it's not great. For a TV of this caliber, you would expect top-notch audio performance. For a TV this size and price, I would have liked to see a more powerful sound system, maybe with Dolby Atmos support. Investing in a separate sound system might be necessary to get the best experience. Okay, so we've talked about the good, the bad, and the big. Now let's talk about what makes this TV truly unique. First and foremost, the combination of a 98-inch screen and mini LED technology is something you won't find anywhere else. This is a TV that's designed to deliver a truly cinematic experience, and it does not disappoint. The XR processor is another major differentiator. It's one of the most powerful processors we've seen in a TV, and it really shows in the picture quality. From upscaling to motion handling, the XR processor elevates everything you watch. And let's not forget about Google TV. It's one of the best smart TV platforms out there, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. And with Google Assistant built in, you've got a world of content at your fingertips. But beyond the specs and features, it's the overall experience that makes this TV so special. It's a TV that's designed to be the centerpiece of your home entertainment setup, and it delivers on that promise in spades. So the big question, is the Sony 98-inch BRAVIA XR50 worth the hefty price tag? Well, that depends. If you're looking for the absolute best picture quality money can buy, if you want a TV that will make a statement in your living room, and if you have the space and the budget to accommodate it, then yes, this TV is absolutely worth considering. It's not for everyone, but for those who demand the best, the Sony XR50 is in a league of its own. It's a TV that redefines what's possible with home entertainment, and it's an experience you won't soon forget. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of the Sony 98-inch BRAVIA XR50? Is it the ultimate dream TV, or is it simply too much TV? Let me know in the comments down below. So there you have it, guys. The Sony 98-inch BRAVIA XR50. It's big, it's bold, and it's definitely not for everyone. But if you're looking for the ultimate home theater experience, this TV deserves a spot on your shortlist. If you want to learn more about the Sony XR50, check out the link in the description below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.